Hi everyone, this is a video about mobile ring holders. They are very cheap considering that it might save your phone from dropping or falling off from your hand, and somehow provides you with more control over using your phone. And with a recent incidents in London, that bicycle riders and motorbike riders, they are, as soon as they see someone is using the phone, they are grabbing their phone and run away or drive away, or snatching the phone off people's hands and then running away, because mobile phones as this one, they are very smooth and they are not offering you any sort of grip whatsoever. So this one was at the back of my phone and I took it off just to demonstrate to you. And they are, as I mentioned, they are cheap. This one is about £1 to £1.50, and if you go with a attachment to your dashboard or some sort of grip to your dashboard, it's going to be about under £3, and you can just hang this. When you stick this to your dashboard, you can hang this like so and use your phone either horizontal or vertical. So it's very useful item, and this is all metal, but recent ring holders, because I have been using them for a long time since they came out really, and now they are all plastic at the base. But this one is all metal, that is the gold type, and this is the green sort of type color, and they are really good, and I totally recommend this to everyone who is holding their phone always in their hands, and accidents happened and you drop your phone and your lovely shiny phone is going to be ruined, and you have to spend lots of money to rectify that. Anyhow, this one, the price is £1 to £3, and this one is a little bit more dearer. It is £5.15 or 17. On eBay I show you the eBay seller if you are interested, but I've been using this and I had this for a long time. I thought let's give it a try to see how it goes, because when you are using your phone with this one, all the weight of your mobile phone is on one finger, and I fold this like so to have more grip. And if you want to go higher, you use your middle finger or the other finger. It depends how you are using it. So if you are OCD like me and you want everything centered, for instance in this case, you just have to swap your fingers to go higher and lower. And this one is really good because there is a friction here. It's really hard to turn to the side, but it's not so hard to turn it around. And this one is a little bit better and offering you 2 ring holders, and the weight of your phone is going to be distributed through your fingers, 2 fingers, and also is offering you swapping your fingers up and down as you wish. It depends on what part of your screen you want to concentrate, and most of the time people are concentrating on the keyboard. So this is not bad, but it offers you no friction for the sideways or turning it around. I guess this is one of the disadvantages of this ring holder, and because it's not very hard, so when you are using it as a stand, with a little bit of weight of your phone, it just drops down. So you have to use it like so, turn it vertical and then put it so. But this one, because the side to side movement is hard, is not going to suffer from any push. As you see, I'm pushing it a lot and it's not bending. So this one was the one that I'm using it. I was using this one. This one is used at the back of my phone here, and unfortunately all of the weight of the mobile phone was on my one finger, and it was causing a little bit of a stress over the the place that it was gripping on my finger. So I thought, okay, let's try the other ones that I had. So up to now, I'm happy with this. The only thing that I am unhappy about this is because it's not good for a stand. And for instance, I was using my phone like so on the surface, and when I wanted to grab it, I just put my finger in there and hold it back with one hand with no problem. But this one is not very good in that sense. And something else that you have to consider when you are buying these sort of ring holders, as your phone is getting bigger, you have to think about more surface area for the ring holders to have more grip on your mobile phone, and is avoiding any accidents or by means of dropping your phone or someone snatching your phone from your hand is very, very good idea. So again, I cannot stress so much. I totally recommend this to all of my viewers and my subscribers. And the weight is distributed over 2 fingers with this, but this one is over 1 finger. And something else that you have to consider when you are using these is when you are using a wireless charger. This one is on the way, and you cannot do a proper wireless charging. So these are the things that you have to consider. And with phones, everyday phones are getting more expensive and so on. This is rather very small investment to avoid any accident and your phone is being snatched off your hand. And we talk about the price and the quality. This one is better quality and it offers more surface area, but the stand is not very good, but offers you 2-finger operation and is rather good. It comes in 2 colors, white or black. The name of this item is iKeeep, I-K-E-E-E-P, and the price on eBay is, let me just focus this, $5.17 for black, and the seller is this person. If you want, you can purchase this, and there are many other variations of this type of ring holders that you can go for. Anyhow, thanks for watching, And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other. As always, have a great time.